Yung buong kaya natin ganyan. As a Christian, your opinion matters. Bakit ka mo? It's not that you're a pakilamera, diba? Hindi ka man pakilamera. It's just that meron ka kasing wisdom that is not coming from men. Which is so important. Bakit? Because it's coming from God. Diba? How can one say naman, how can it come from God? Asyumera ka naman. Ano ka? Special ka? Well, you read the Bible. Special ka talaga. Diba? When you have read the Bible and you have your Holy Spirit guiding you through the process of learning, pwede mong i-share yung mga natutunan mo sa ibang tao because it will help them. Because why? That learning, okay? Dali, ano to? That learning, that message, that wisdom is not from men. That wisdom came from God. That's why it is most important to share rather than your personal opinion. Kasi ang personal opinion, pwede tayong magkamali. Diba? Pero pag ang opinion mo ay ang pinanggaling, pero pag ang opinion mo ay nanggaling sa salita ng Diyos, yan ang iyong in-advise. Okay? Yung taong makaka-receive niyan will be blessed and will receive solutions, diba? That are lasting and has positive effects. Diba? Kaysa yung sarili mong opinion sa mga pinagdaanan mo, okay lang naman din. Diba? Pero kung gusto mong safe at yun talaga mapapabuti yung kausap mo, dapat the wisdom should come from God. The safest would be draw out reasons and solutions and explanations in the Bible. Meron na po tayo ngayong search engines. Diba? Na madali pong makahanap ng Bible verses. You just search, diba? Verses about on, let's say, relationships. Anong masasabi ni Lord about relationships? Meron verses about money. Verses about being a businessman, an employer. Verses about how to treat your children. Diba? What a parent should be. Lahat po nandiyan na sa Bible. Nasa Bible po ang kasagutan sa lahat. Diba? Lahat na nangyayari sa mundo, yung Bible po ang may sagot po. And hindi na po kayo malilito about your purpose in life. Hindi na po kayo magtataka bakit nangyayari sa inyo mga ganitong bagay. You will understand that by because of reading the Bible. Diba? As you read the Bible, ask the Holy Spirit to guide you. Hindi po yan libro lang na physical. It's a spiritual book. Hence, you need the Spirit of God to thoroughly understand it. Okay? So that's my piece of advice. So kung ikaw ay matured Christian, your opinion matters.